Let's get right to the important news. A lot of people on Wall Street and among the best crypto experts are very excited about XRP Ripple. A lot of people think that XRP Ripple could make this generation the richest in human history. How is it possible to do something like that? There is nothing secret that the experts have kept from you. We'll talk about all the details of these forecasts in this video. What do we mean when we talk about growth, though? Don't think about the far future. Let us instead think about what might happen tomorrow. According to experts, the price could go up by a huge 1,500%. What a wonderful thing it sounds like. Let's get into this. Don't miss it. Nota bene, let's get right to the scare stuff. In the constantly changing world of cryptocurrencies, talking about XRP's potential often leads to heated arguments and guesswork. Recently, comments from both the cryptocurrency community and Wall Street have come forward, set against the background of Bitcoin's rise and XRP's relative quiet, giving interesting ideas about how Ripple's digital asset might change in the future. Abs, the host of the podcast Good Morning Crypto, is a well-known figure in this conversation. He and Wall Street analyst Linda Jones recently did an interesting study of the XRP market. Their conversation shed light on the interesting forces at work in the XRP ecosystem. Because Abs is known for giving smart commentary, he used past examples to remind people of how well XRP did during the 2017 bull run. He stressed that even though XRP isn't doing very well right now, it has shown amazing strength in the past, even when Bitcoin prices were skyrocketing. Abs said, "It makes me think of the past." In 2017, XRP showed an amazing increase of 70,000%, showing that it has the power to surprise even the most skeptical onlookers. Still, Abs kept expectations in check and avoided making too big of predictions. Instead of predicting another astronomical rise like the one seen in 2017, he focused on a more conservative but still important prediction: XRP's value would rise tenfold. He told investors that they should stay positive. A tenfold rise in XRP's value is still a real option, even though it might not happen again. An experienced Wall Street analyst named Jones agreed with Abs and gave a realistic view of the present situation. As she talked about the unique chance that XRP's low prices offer, she emphasized the chance to accumulate. Jones told them not to be affected by short-term changes. XRP's real value comes from how useful it is and how much it could grow in the future. Actually, Jones's ideas went beyond just guesswork. They also covered how XRP could be used in real life across border deals, with around 400 banks showing interest in using XRP for these reasons. She described a world in which XRP's usefulness could completely change the way banks work. Jones said that XRP's ability to make cross-border trades possible will change the way money works, and the current price changes are just proof of how popular it is becoming. As the conversation went on, it became clear that XRP's path may be full of ups and downs and uncertainty, but its promise can't be denied. Whether it's the optimistic predictions of seasoned experts or the unwavering faith of devoted fans, one thing is certain: XRP's story isn't over yet. More research into the XRP market shows interesting things about its current state and possible future. Even though XRP has been volatile lately, its basics are still strong thanks to Ripple's ongoing work to promote adoption and make cross-border transactions easier. The recent rise in interest from institutional buyers shows how important XRP is in the cryptocurrency world as a whole. Also, clear regulations, which are often seen as a key factor in the success of cryptocurrencies, could have a big impact on XRP's path. XRP's standing as a digital asset with a clear use and purpose makes it more likely that it will be accepted by most people as regulations continue to change. The situation is getting even stranger because rumors say that the court case between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple will end this month. For every holder, it's a big sign that prices will go up. XRP is useful for transactions across borders, and its technological advances, such as its consensus process and ability to grow, make it even more appealing to investors and institutions. With new partnerships and developments happening all the time, XRP is ready to take advantage of new possibilities in the digital economy. It sounds interesting, doesn't it? However, what if I told you that the story of XRP Ripple is even more important than we might think at first? As you can see, Ripple isn't just another coin. Millions, if not hundreds of millions of people around the world could have their lives changed by it. So hold on tight as we go deeper into this important time in the history of digital goods. Something very important is about to happen with XRP Ripple that could have a huge effect on the world. We should go on this trip together and find out what XRP Ripple can do. Moving huge amounts of money from one generation to the next makes it clearer that the future of XRP Ripple is closely linked to this huge move of assets. Us.Thankx 2024 Wealth Study talks about the huge amount of $90 trillion that will be passed down from boomers to millennials over the next 20 years. This is more than just a change in who owns the money. It's also a huge shift in economic power. What's especially interesting is that millennials' wealth is supposed to spiral through the roof. According to Coldwell Banker, it will be worth 5 times as much by 2030. Innovative technologies such as XRP Ripple have a one-of-a-kind chance to shape the future of finance thanks to this exponential growth. And millennials have shown that they are strong and responsible with money by coping with problems like the 2008 financial crisis and the loss of buying power caused by printing a lot of money. In spite of what some people think, they are becoming known as a group that cares about money and planning ahead. Millennials are also expecting big gifts from their parents, which shows how changing views about wealth inheritance are making good financial planning and investing even more important. This is where XRP Ripple has the ability to help next generation wealth build up. As the income level needed to be in the top 1% of earners in the United States grows to $5.8 million, it becomes clearer that new ways to handle money are needed. Since XRP Ripple focuses on speed, efficiency, and scalability in cross-border trades, it is ready to lead the way toward more people having access to money and everyone being wealthy. To put it simply, picture a world where technology is like a superhero and helps millions of people make millions. Interesting, isn't it? Picture this now. Even though there is a lot of potential, the price of XRP Ripple right now might not be as exciting as we had thought. Don't worry, though, because there is an answer just waiting to be found. Stay tuned as we try to figure out why XRP is so expensive and find the secret gems that could make it go even higher. You won't want to miss this big surprise. Even though the price of XRP has been going up and down recently, one expert is adamant that it could go up 15 times in the next few months before the peak of this cycle. Recently, XRP's price has been all over the place. It has dropped 3% in the last week, but it has still gained a large 15% over the last 30 days. At the moment, XRP prices seem to be staying the same as they were in October of last year when the crypto bull market began. But people who study the market, like Captain Toblerone, have a different view. Captain Toblerone recently wrote that XRP could go up by 1,500% before the mid-cycle run stops. His analysis says that would send the price of XRP through the roof to about $10. The chart shows that this goal might be hit by July. Captain Toblerone predicted in January that XRP would trade between $2.5 and $11 by the second quarter of the year. This prediction builds on that prediction. Captain Toblerone is still sure that XRP will go through an explosive rise, even though the price is still hovering around 60 cents. But Captain Toblerone isn't the only one who is optimistic. Other experts also think that XRP will go up quickly in the near future. Some, like Jake Gagane, think that a reasonable goal of $5 during the height of this bull season is possible. Nick, the founder of crypto, sets his sights even higher and suggests a goal of $10. Many others in the business agree with this point of view. Dark Defender and Igrag are two groups that have similar goals for the next few weeks. Their prices range from $5 to $17. Why did they do it? The past. XRP went on an amazing journey in late 2017, hitting an all-time high of almost $4 by January. With this example from the past in mind, analysts are eagerly anticipating a repeat of XRP's past performance, which is fueling hopes that the price of the cryptocurrency will skyrocket soon. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. We'd be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. If you liked the content and thought it was useful, please click the like button. Feel free to leave a comment with your ideas or thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe.